Hello world, I'm Chitan from Germany. This is my CS50 Python final project. It is a stock trading simulator built as a command line application. User can register an account and log into the system. After logging in, users can check real-time stock price using an external API. They can also buy or sell stocks, and the system will update the cash balance and portfolio. All transactions are saved and can be viewed later. User data is stored using JSON file and passwords are securely hashed. This project demonstrates file handling, authentication, APIs, and error handling in Python. Thank you for watching. This is CS50.